Thanks for checking my video on Wholesale Formula Free Life webinar with Fladlien. And we're going to look at what you will learn in this free webinar. So if you want to register for the webinar, make sure you click the link below to register for the training. This formula allows you to profit from Amazon like clockwork. And why now is the best time in history to sell on Amazon? Amazon is the best place to start or grow your business. And on this webinar, we are going to discover a 3-step formula that helps 960 folks initially sell over $1 billion on Amazon. Even better, those 960 success has no real pattern. Their age, location, and experience level varied. So most had no previous online successes. So many started part-time and all did it risk-free. So when you join the webinar led by one of the top online business trainers in the world, then you will discover the exact formula to sell on Amazon and see success. So if you want to join the webinar, make sure you click the link below. When you click the link below, it's going to open to this page you are seeing. Then therefore you will be able to click on this register now, then to join the webinar. This is the best training you can have on how to sell on Amazon, and it's going to lead by Fladlien, one of the top entrepreneurs that have sold millions of dollars on Amazon. So if you want to join the training, make sure you click the link below and register your spot. Wish you the best of luck. Click the link below to join the training now. Thank you for watching.